Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. If you have to define today's market, it is a pump and dump. So morning it was pumped up more than 250 points and afternoon dumped more than 200 points. And today afternoon I had to go to Commissioner office to meet the Commissioner of Police. So because of that I left my office earlier. And that time Nifty was trading very much in green, I think 200, 250 point plus. And then after meeting the commissioner, I came out and saw the report, the NSE site. So Nifty has fallen more than 200 points. So this is totally, disappointing. This whole week markets were very, very volatile. Monday, Nifty was very close to 24,200. And Tuesday, Nifty was very close to 23,800. And today, Nifty was very close to 24,300. And then again came back more than 200 points. So Nifty closed around 24,050. This is really surprising. So this kind of volatility is not supposed to be there. The market shot up more than 1,000 points and no, there must be some kind of a profit booking. But that profit booking has come and then after that market recovered. Don't know why market has to fall so much again. Crude oil has fallen below $73. That is something very, very good. The gold, it has broken $4,000 per ounce today. So that is also really very, very good for India. Macroeconomy is, picture is looking good. And then we have been underperforming the world market. Remember, even now, if you see year to date, that means from January 1 till now, so we are still down 10%. So our market is not euphoric. Right? So number one, some positives. Number one, Nifty closed about 24,000 as support level. And number two, FIIs and DIs both are net buyers. Of course, so far only the NSE data has come. But mostly NSE data and the combined three exchanges data will be more or less the same. So both FIIs and domestic institutional investors were net buyers, but still market can fall more than 200 points. So maybe Japanese market is ruled by retail people. So maybe who knows, retail people are taking more play here. So when the market goes higher, they're selling, market comes down, they are buying, So it's going all over the places. So we have only 2 more trading session. And as I told you, the 24,300 is going to be a stiff resistance. And right now it's 24,050. So we have only 2 more trading sessions. So that is another 250 point. That's going to be difficult. And however, the US markets futures are looking really very good. So if the global cues are good, we may even try to go nearer to 24,300. But going to 24,400 is going to be very, very difficult. So as I told you, 23,600 to 24,400 may be the range. And like personally, I feel that, 24,000 will be held. So although we have 2 more days, only 50 points away from 24,000, my gut feeling is that, so bulls will try to defend 24,000 on closing basis. And upper end maybe 24,300. So that's the thing. So anyway, today selling maybe, number one, Sensex expiry. And number two is a long weekend. So people don't want to carry positions. So these are the things might have played. So anyway, our market is, few days before, the markets were violently moving between 23,000 and 23,500. Within that 500 point, it was a violent move. And now, between 23,800 and 24,300. again the same 500 point range. The markets are moving violently. One day going to nearer to 24,300, next day going to nearer to 23,800 and so on. So I still believe that, 23,800 to 24,300 may be the good range for next 2 trading sessions. Then after that, the July series starts. Right? So there was some news that India is maybe signing agreement with trade agreement with the US, and I do not know. So it was a totally pump and dump. So intraday players today, what intraday players they do, they go and sell short straddle. Market goes higher in the morning, the call stop loss will be hit. Then after that, market crashing down, the put stop loss also hit. So this market, proving very, very difficult for both intraday players as well as very, very short-term traders. For both of them, this market is looking very, very challenging. So anyway, since I was away for almost half of the day, so I did not analyze the things properly. I did not even check which contributed, how many points and this and that. So those things anyway, we have 3 more days to discuss. So we will discuss later. So right now it is time to enjoy your weekend party. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.